this video, I will show you how to crop an image to a specific size. So I'm going to launch Photoshop. And I want to open a file. In order to crop the image, I'm going to open the crop tool from the toolbar, or you can use the keyboard shortcut key C from the keyboard to activate the crop tool. Before we begin the cropping process, we must clear our objective. If we just want to crop some parts of our image, then we will use the unconstrained option so that we can freely move the crop window as per our requirement. For example, I want to remove some parts of this image from the left edge. So I will drag the left handle a little bit. And to accept the crop, I will click on the tick mark icon. But this is what I do not want. So I will press Ctrl Z on the keyboard to return back to my original image. But for now, I want an image which has a specific size so that I can use that image for my special purpose. Here I want to use the image for the cover photo of my Facebook page. The size of cover photo of Facebook page is 820 pixels wide and 312 pixels tall. And the size of our image is 900 pixels wide and 554 pixels tall, which is a little bit bigger, so I have to crop it. But before we begin cropping process, I will select the finite dimensions on the control bar, or I can use the size and resolutions option. Here I will enter the exact dimensions which I want. I can drag the crop window as I need. You can see the proportion of the width and height remains same. I will choose the area which I want to crop. To accept the crop, I'm going to click the tick mark icon. And yeah, the image is now cropped and it's ready to use for the cover photo of my Facebook page. And this is how, folks, we use the crop tool in Photoshop to resize an image to a specific size. I hope you like the video. And if you have any questions or any suggestions, please comment below. And if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing the channel. Thank you.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing.